Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete an eBay account step by step. Now let's get this started. First of all, open any browser you like and go to www.ebay.com. And this will open eBay homepage, and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now go to my eBay, which is in top right corner, tap on it. Under my eBay, you can see three sections: activity, messages and account. Tap on account. You can see an option for close account. Under account preferences, tap on close account, and this will open this type of interface. Scroll down and here is some reminder from the eBay team. Scroll down and here it says it generally takes 14 days to close the account from the date that they have received a request, though it may take up to 60 days if you have any transaction, payments, claims or disputes in the previous 30 days. So to close the account, simply go to close account, which is over here. Tap on it. Now eBay will ask you why you are closing the account. Choose a reason category from the drop down menu. It's over here. Tap on it. I'm keeping it personal reasons for now. Tap on it. Now select a specific reason here. Now select I am opening a new account. Then scroll down. Then to confirm, check the box next to I want to close my eBay account. It's over here. Check it up. Then this will open a submit button. Now click on submit. That's it. Your closure request is now submitted. And that's how you can delete your eBay account. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.